Good morning, students. Last lecture we see the DC current source. Next point we have to see the power. Okay, the rate of doing work is called power. Unit of power is joule per second or watt. Okay, here 1 kilowatt equals 1 kilowatt equals 10 raised to 3 watts, or other value 746 watt equal to 1 horsepower, means HP. Okay, next is kilowatt hours is a unit used for large amounts of electric work or energy. Okay, then this is the conversion, and we get from these 3.6 mega joule. Okay, we pay the electricity in kilowatt hours of energy. So the formula for power in watts equal to volt into amperes. Volt is a unit for voltage and ampere is a unit for I. Therefore power is a V into I, or also power equal to I square R, or power equal to V square divided by R. These are the two important formulas. Next, here the important formulas are given. For what? If resistors are connected in series, total resistance Rs is given by R1 plus R2 plus R3. Okay, last up to R, and these resistors are in series. Okay, next, if resistors are connected in parallel, then total resistance Rp equal to 1 divided by Rp equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3 up to plus 1 by Rn. Okay, this is the series connection, means resistors are connected in series 1 by 1, after 1 by 1, R1, R2, R3, R4, like this. And this is the parallel connection. Okay, so the resistors are connected in parallelly. Here is the R1, here is the R2, R3, R4, like this. Parallel means no line will cross each other. Okay, this called parallel, this called a series connection. Therefore for the series connection, formula of Rs is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3 up to Rn. Whatever resistor you connect, just add it. Next, the for parallel, we can see 1 plus R1 plus, sorry, 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3 and more resistance. This is for parallel, this is for series connection. Okay, what is the next formula? When resistors are connected in series by voltage divider formula, the voltage across R1, means here the voltage is connected, then VR1 equal to R1 divided by R1 plus R2 into V, means when resistors are connected in series, this is the resistors are connected in series by voltage divider, means here the one voltage source is connected, so the voltage across R1 along this R1, what is this? R1 divided by R1 plus R2 into the main voltage source. The next, when resistors are connected in parallel, the current through R1. Here is the voltage, next is the current. I1 equal to R1 divided by, sorry, R2 divided by R1 plus R2 into I. This is for I1. And next I2, R1 divided by R1 plus R2 into I. These are the important formulas. Along with these, there is a short examples. Okay, first we uh, okay, convert the following: 1500 hertz to kilohertz, 11 kilovolt into volts, and 1200 milliampere into ampere. We see the formulas to convert hertz to kilohertz, kilohertz to volts to volt. Therefore, this is 1500 into 10 raised to minus 3 kilohertz. This is minus 10 raised to minus 3 is for kilo. Okay, or 1.5 kilohertz. Next is what? 11 kilovolt equal to, we have to convert it into holes. Therefore 10 raised to 3 holes. This is for kilovolt. Therefore 11,000 volt. Okay, next is what? 1200 milliampere. As for the milli, there is a 10 raised to minus 3 ampere. Therefore it is converted into 1.2 ampere. Okay, got it? Next, calculate the internal resistance if the output of a source drops from 100 volt with zero load current to 90 volt with load current of 2 ampere. Then the formula for internal resistance is what? Volt with no load minus voltage with load divided by current of load. ओके, इथं दिलाय लोड करंट 2 आहे. नेक्स्ट काय आहे? सोर्स आउटपुट ऑफ अ सोर्स ड्रॉप्स फ्रॉम 100 व्होल्ट विथ 0 लोड करंट टू 90 व्होल्ट विथ लोड करंट. त्यामुळं दिस इज फॉर लोड अँड दिस इज फॉर नो लोड. Okay, therefore here what? 100, okay, 100 minus 90 equal divided by 2 equal to 10 divided by 2 equal to 5 volt. This is the source resistance. Okay, you understand this? Okay, next is for next example. A generator has an open circuit EMF of 20 volt. Its terminal voltage drops to 16 volt with RL of 40 ohm. Calculate the internal resistance. Okay, here what is given? Open circuit voltage means no load voltage. What is this? VNL equal to Vs equal to 20 volt. EMF means voltage. Next, what? Terminal voltage is terminal voltage drops to 16 volt means terminal voltage is what? 16 volt. Then what we have to calculate? Internal resistance. But for resistance we have to calculate first current. So I equal to Vs divided by Rs plus RL equal to what? 20 divided by Rs. We don't know Rs, so only RL is given, so we have to find Rs first. Okay, plus 40. We have given Vt, okay, equal to 1 into RL, sorry, I into RL. Therefore Vt equal to what? Vs divided by Rs plus RL into RL. Okay, then here Vt equal to what? 16 equal to 20 divided by Rs plus 40 into 40. So 16 divided by 40 equal to 20 divided by Rs plus 40. So Rs is equal to 10 volt internal resistance. So we find the internal resistance. Here I formula Vs divided by Rs plus RL. But we have the Vt internal, sorry, terminal voltage. What is I into RL? Therefore we know I. Here we put Vs divided by Rs plus RL into RL. So we know Vt 16 volt equal to 20 divided by Rs plus 40 into 40. Therefore what is Rs? Is 10 ohm. This is the internal resistance. Okay, fine. Thank you.